In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members or guests to your Slack workspace. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or inviting external guests to join your projects, Slack makes it easy to stay connected and organized. Let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to Slack. If you're using a desktop or laptop, simply type slack.com in the address bar. You can also use the Slack app if you have that installed on your device. This is the gateway to access all your workspaces and conversations. Once you're at Slack's homepage, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. You can use your email address and password, or you can sign in with Google or Apple for a quicker, streamlined experience. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that's most convenient for you, ensuring easy access whenever you need it. After logging in, you'll be taken to a screen displaying all the available workspaces you're part of. At this point, go ahead and click on your preferred workspace. This step is crucial because each workspace can have different members or guests, depending on the projects you're handling. Make sure you select the correct workspace to add members or guests effectively. Next, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Slack interface. Here you'll find the option labeled Invite People, or a similar variant depending on your role in the workspace. Clicking on this option will initiate the invitation process, allowing you to bring others into your workspace. A new window or pane will pop up, presenting you with a field to type in email addresses. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of those you want to invite. Pay close attention at this step to ensure accuracy in the email addresses you're entering, as this will determine who receives your invitation. Once you've entered the emails, there's an important decision to make. You'll need to select whether each invitee will be a member or a guest. Members typically have full access to your workspace and can participate in all channels, whereas guests are often limited to specific channels or tasks. This distinction is key for managing access and maintaining a streamlined workflow. Finally, after you've made your selections, it's time to click the Send button. By doing so, Slack will send out the invitations. The recipients will get an email with instructions on how to join your workspace. Now, all you need to do is wait for them to accept your invitation. And there you have it. You've successfully added members or guests to your Slack workspace. This method ensures that everyone who needs to be in the loop has access to essential conversations and resources, facilitating efficient and effective collaboration.